Alright, I thought I'd take a minute and show you guys my favorite sandwich to take on the deer stand or anytime I'm out in the woods. First thing we're going to start with is almond butter. You can use peanut butter if you want. I like almond butter because it's a little smoother, I find. Spreads on the bread nice, and it doesn't require a whole bottle of water to wash down. It also has a really pleasant flavor. If you've never tried that, I think you should try it. This sandwich is loaded with energy. Will help you stay awake and alert on the stand. Next thing I'm going to add, some dark chocolate chips. These are an excellent antioxidant. I don't know anybody who doesn't like chocolate. So help you stay awake. And the next thing, you probably wouldn't even think of. These are medjool dates. You can get these pitted if you want. These were not pitted, so I took the time and cut the pits out of them. I'm just going to lay them on there like so. Break that one up, put one there, put that there, put that right there. I got a lot of extra. I think I'll just eat that. These are delicious. If you like jelly, you'll like dates. Okay. The last thing I started adding, especially in the spring, a little bit of honey. I don't have a squeeze bottle right now. Honey will help you if you have allergies, seasonal allergies, hay fever or whatever. That's why I started adding it in spring. Just cover that up like so. Sourdough bread. Like I said, this has got a lot of energy to help you stay alert on stand. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, invite your friends. The more the merrier. Have a great weekend.